Today we're doing a bright red, blue, and purple makeup look. To start this look, we're using the Makeup Revolution palette for this light blue shade, putting this in the crease and blending up towards the eyebrows. Then using the NYX Avant Pop palette for this darker blue, and putting this in the outer corners and the crease. Then using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, we're using the purple, and putting this in the outer corners. And adding some to the inner corners as well. Then using the Garden of Juvia palette for this lighter purple, and putting it underneath the eye. Then using the Juvia's Place Violets palette for this darker purple. Then using the Revolution palette again for the sparkly blue, and putting this over the blue we already have. Then using the Blightmoin palette for the sparkly red, and putting this in the middle of the eye, blending in towards the purple. Then using mascara and false lashes to finish the look. And this completes this colorful, bright blue, red, and purple makeup look. I really love the combination of these colors. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below, and thank you guys so much for watching.